In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect n8n to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have your n8n workspace connected to OpenAI so you can use ChatGPT powered actions inside your workflows. All you need is access to n8n and an active OpenAI API key, plus your organization ID if your account uses one. Start by heading to n8n.io and opening your workspace. From the editor, create a new workflow so you're looking at a clean canvas. You'll see a prompt to add your first node. Click Add First Step to open the node picker. This is where you choose the service you want to integrate with. In the search bar, type OpenAI. When the OpenAI node appears, click it to add it to your workflow. This node is the bridge between n8n and ChatGPT features through the OpenAI API. Once the node is added, you'll be asked to choose what the node should do. Select Actions. This tells n8n you plan to run operations like generating text or chatting with a model through OpenAI. The exact options you'll see can vary by version, but Actions is the umbrella that enables you to configure those ChatGPT-style tasks. Next, look for the field labeled Credentials or Credential to connect with. Open the drop-down. If you've never connected OpenAI before, there won't be credentials listed yet, and that's perfectly fine. Click Create New Credential. A form will open asking for your OpenAI details so n8n can authenticate securely on your behalf. Enter your API key. You can generate or view this in your OpenAI account dashboard. Treat this like a password. Don't paste it into notes or share it publicly. And if you self-host n8n, consider using environment variables or n8n's built-in secrets to keep it safe. Double check you're using a current key with the necessary access. Now enter your organizational ID. You'll find this in your OpenAI settings. Some accounts require it, and if yours does, including it ensures requests are attributed to the correct organization. Make sure there are no extra spaces when you paste it. When both fields are filled in, click Save. n8n will store the credential securely and attach it to the OpenAI node. You should now see the credential selected in the drop-down, confirming the connection is ready. That's it. You've connected n8n to ChatGPT via the OpenAI node. From here, you can configure your prompts, choose a model, and integrate the responses into the rest of your workflow. If you ever see an authentication error, recheck your key, organization ID, and account status, then save again.